Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for car owners: how to spot the symptoms of a blown head gasket. If you notice these signs, it could save you from costly repairs. But before we continue, hit the subscription button and turn on the notification bell to be the first to know when a video dropped. Let us get started. Spotting the symptoms of a blown head gasket is crucial for preventing further damage to your engine. Here are 5 key ways to identify the issue. Number 1. Overheating engine. An overheating engine is one of the most common signs of a blown head gasket. The head gasket seals the combustion chambers and prevents coolant from leaking into the engine. When it fails, coolant may leak, leading to low levels in the radiator and causing the engine to overheat. You'll notice the temperature gauge on your dashboard rising unusually fast or reaching the red zone. Over time, the engine may overheat frequently, especially after short drives. Number 2. White smoke from the exhaust. White, thick smoke coming from the exhaust pipe indicates that coolant is leaking into the combustion chamber and burning with the fuel. This happens when the head gasket fails between the coolant and the combustion chamber. When starting the car or during acceleration, look for dense, white smoke from the exhaust. A sweet smell may accompany it, which is typical of burning coolant. Number 3. Milky or discolored oil. A blown head gasket can cause oil and coolant to mix. The oil takes on a milky, frothy appearance, often referred to as chocolate milkshake oil. This happens when the head gasket fails between the oil and coolant passages, allowing them to blend. Check the oil dipstick for signs of discoloration or a milky substance. The engine oil may also appear thicker than usual. Additionally, you might notice sludge on the oil cap. Number 4. Loss of coolant with no visible leaks. A sudden, unexplained loss of coolant, without any visible leaks on the ground or hoses, can indicate a blown head gasket. The coolant could be seeping into the combustion chamber or oil passages rather than leaking outside. If you find yourself frequently topping up your coolant without an external leak, it's a sign that coolant might be leaking into the engine. The coolant reservoir may also show a drop in levels after short drives. Number 5. Poor engine performance and misfires. A blown head gasket can lead to loss of compression in one or more cylinders, causing rough engine performance and misfires. This happens when the head gasket fails between the combustion chamber and a coolant or oil passage. The engine may feel sluggish, unresponsive, or run unevenly. You may experience a decrease in power, rough idling, or frequent misfires, which may trigger the check engine light. Spotting these symptoms early can save you from costly repairs or even engine replacement. If you notice any of these issues, it's important to get your car checked immediately and, if needed, replace the blown head gasket to prevent further damage. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing it with your friends. Thank you for watching.